Well, in the continuing saga of the Old Fat Guy Chronicles, I've discovered what my next project is going to be. I was thinking that I would take that end, which is the bottom end, you take the other. Well, it's starting to threaten to rain. I might have to transfer this party inside the garage, but I don't like to leave the sports car outside when every once in a while I hit the burst button by mistake, so I wind up with 30 photos I just don't feel like having. Just before the rain hits, thought I would try and get the tray out of the back of this thing. So this ought to be a sight. Oh yeah, thing of beauty. tray dump number 2, where this is the debris that we've cleaned from the inside, and we're going to go for 2 or 3 more versions of this. I'm going to use these little tools to try and clean the contacts on the spark maker. Battery's good, so I'm hoping it's all going to be good. These are abrasive tools that should work. Well, no joy with my piezoelectric sparking repair. There is a service number. I think I bought this about 5 years ago, so I don't expect any service, but I'm going to give them a call later. Well, I got the hose clean and then inspected. I'm sitting on the chair because my back is just killing me. But there's no kinks or no scratches or dents or burns or apparent obvious leaks. So I think this is in reasonable shape. There's no reason to doubt that it was working from previously. Now we'll get a little bit of the mold and grime off of the top. Well, I got it wet. I don't know if I got it clean. I wonder if a degreaser might work on this. And now we're officially done for the day.